Hey there, health nuts! Have you ever felt knee pain? I'm talking about the sharp, intense sensation you sometimes get in your knees. It's quite painful, and I'm here to help you out with it. Starting from stretches to squats and raises, there are many exercises that you can do to help your knee pain. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about them and more. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Number 1. Stretch your hamstring. We open the list with a hamstring stretch. It helps to relax the hamstrings and back of the thighs. While stretching, you should be able to feel the stretch at the back of your calves. It would help your tissues and muscles to deal with the pain. Alright, now let's look at how to do this stretch. First of all, lie on the ground or mat and slowly lift one of your legs. Make sure that the movement isn't sudden. Once you've done that, place your hand below your knee and behind the thigh. This will help you gain better control over the exercise. After that, all you need to do is gently pull the knee towards your chest. You don't really need to keep this position for too long. About 30 seconds should be good enough. Oh, and while you're at it, make sure that it isn't painful. It's not supposed to be. You can do this stretch twice on both of your legs. Moving on. Number 2. Raise your calf. Another exercise for this purpose would be the calf raise. This is a very simple workout and requires little to no pressure at all. Apart from helping you with your knee pain, it also strengthens the muscles of your legs. Now that's what I call killing two birds with one stone. So, how do you do this exercise? Well, just stand straight and keep your hands on your waist. Make sure your feet are straight as well. Once you've done that, lift both heels. You'll have to balance yourself with the front part of your feet, maintaining this position for 2 to 3 seconds and do it at least 10 times. Control plays an important role in this scenario. If you go off balance, you could end up hurting yourself, so make sure that you're totally balanced. Not that tough, right? Let's see if you can say the same for the next exercise. Number 3. Do squats, but halfway. You may have tried doing squats in your life. It's a simple looking exercise until you try it firsthand. From then on, you realize it's quite uncomfortable. While it may be painful, it's quite beneficial, not just for your knees, but also for your back, glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. What's so special about this exercise? Well, it puts pressure on your back, legs, and knees, relaxing the tissues and muscles. For this exercise, you would need to stand in a squatting position with your feet apart. Once you've assumed this position, make sure that you're balancing yourself, keeping your hands in front of you. After that, just look straight ahead and squat about 10 inches. Make sure that you don't do it for too long and keep a gap of a few seconds between every set. A maximum of 2 to 3 sets should be enough for you. While you're at it, keep in mind that the exercise shouldn't be forced. As it is with any type of workout, it shouldn't be forced. It should help you ease the pain that you're feeling in your knees. So if you're finding this exercise too difficult to do, don't worry. Just keep calm and I'll give you another exercise that is equally effective. Number 4. Extend your legs. This again will put your legs to the test. Your quadriceps can be greatly benefited from a simple extension exercise. The workout would focus on keeping the pressure away from your knees. More importantly, it will strengthen your muscles and tissues. In this exercise, you need to sit on a chair and lift your legs one at a time. Yes, that's pretty much it. Just make sure that you're lifting the legs as high as you can. Another thing to keep in mind would be to do at least 2 to 3 sets and repeat at least 10 times. Once you've made a habit of this exercise, you'll feel the difference in a few weeks. It'll relax the muscles, therefore relieving you from awful knee pain. It's also one of the easiest knee exercises available, so maybe you can try by getting started with it. Before you do that, we would also like to tell you about the next exercise. Number 5. Stretch your quadriceps. I've been talking about your quadriceps quite a lot in this video, and guess what? I'm not done. The muscles at the front of your thighs require much attention. When they receive it, the knee pain doesn't remain a big concern for much longer. You just have to make sure that you are treating your quadriceps right. Quadriceps stretches are just one way of doing it. Stand straight in front of a wall and slowly try to pull one leg towards your glutes. This will put pressure on your knees as well as your quadriceps. This will help to strengthen those areas of your body. Make sure that you are gentle with yourself in this exercise, as you can cause muscle spasms if you aren't gentle. It is your body after all, so be nice to yourself. You can keep one leg pulled for a period of 30 seconds. Once you're done with the leg, you can move to the other leg. Just repeat the whole process twice for each leg. It's a pretty easy exercise, you just need to be gentle. It's also good for you if you're looking to get in shape. This is because it puts pressure on the glutes. I knew you'd figure out that part. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. Number 6, raise your legs straight. So, you want to exercise, but you also want to lay down. Well, in that case, this is a good exercise for you. All you need to do is lie down and lift one leg high enough to put pressure on your hamstring, quadriceps, and knees. You just have to make sure of 2 things. One of them is that your leg must remain as straight as possible. This is to avoid any form of muscle spasm and increase the pressure without damaging any tissue. So, how long would you have to do it? Well, just about 5 seconds. I wouldn't recommend that you extend beyond that. Keep in mind that you want to relieve your knee pain, not make it even more painful. After all, if you keep it up for too long, you could end up damaging your tissues. So once again, be kind to yourself. You can do 2 or 3 sets of this exercise in a day. I wouldn't recommend more than 10 repetitions of this exercise. Once you've become comfortable with it, you can improvise by adding weight. For starters, avoid going higher than 5 pounds. Once you've become accustomed to it, you can gradually increase the weight. Now, it's time to check out the next exercise. Number 7, curl your hamstring. Here's another hamstring-related workout that's been proven to be successful. All you'd need to do is stand straight and lift one leg backwards. Make sure you can raise it as much as you can without applying too much pressure. Once you're done with one leg, shift to the next one. The goal is to make sure that your tissues and muscles are being relieved of stress. After you've lifted your leg, hold on to it for about 5 seconds. In case you want to try to hold it for a longer period of time, you could try up to 10 seconds. I wouldn't recommend more as the muscles may become too stiff. Just make sure that you're doing at least 2 to 3 sets of this exercise. As far as repetitions are concerned, about 10 on each leg should be good enough. When held for about 5 seconds or so, you barely feel the curl at all. Keep in mind though, this exercise requires a good amount of lower body strength. Most of that strength is focused on balancing yourself during the exercise. This is why you'd try an exercise in front of a wall. When you're new to it and you're only getting used to it, I would suggest that you use a wall's help to balance yourself until you've gotten used to it. Do you have any knee pain? Have you tried any of these exercises? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie would we be if we didn't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.